The kitchen and bath design industry has experienced some crazy growth in the last 3 years. From homeowners stuck at home deciding to finally remodel, to housing growth in new places due to a rise in remote work, there is more business than ever before. And more competition. According to Google, there are expected to be 150,000 kitchen and bath design businesses in the US this year, up from 120,000 in 2020. Wait, what? Aren't we talking about sales systems? What does 30,000 more competitors have to do with systems? As it turns out, a lot. Your sales system can be a huge competitive advantage, as it can provide a superior client experience even before a prospective client ever talks to a designer, and long after the project is done. In this episode, we're examining the sales system from the client's perspective. While it's true that clients aren't actual users of the system, a well-designed system can amplify the value they experience when interacting with your company, while simultaneously reducing the burden on the designer. How, you might ask? Well, let's walk through a couple possibilities. Your sales system can qualify incoming leads and start serving up relevant content like budget spreadsheet or a remodel ready checklist, even before the designer reaches out to schedule a consultation. Sophisticated systems can even enable the right kind of leads to schedule their own consultation directly and then prepare them to gather the needed information to be ready for the design consultation, and send them timely reminders. Those are just some of the possibilities. A great sales system can have a substantial impact on the client experience in the kitchen and bath design business in several ways. First, enhanced communication. A well-designed sales system can explicitly and effectively communicate the next steps in the process to your clients, reducing the burden on the designer. It also can help prep the client between interactions with the designer, helping clients to gather necessary information or schedule the next meeting without the designer needing to remember to reach out. Also, anyone that interacts with the client has the full context of the relationship. So if the client's delighted, the next person that interacts with them might ask them for a review. And if things haven't been going well, the next person that interacts with them might offer something extra or bonus, or at least knows not to ask for a review. Second, personalization. An effective sales system keeps all client information in one place, enhancing your ability to provide customer-centric services. Now you or any team member can quickly access complete client information without having to ask the client to repeat themselves. Not only does this streamline operations, but it also creates a high-touch experience for your clients without additional strain on the designers. And three, an amazing experience. A well-documented and transparent sales process can lay out exactly what will happen and when. This improves the client's understanding of how things work and reduces any potential friction or misunderstandings. In other words, it can help teach clients not to be crazy. Another way an efficient sales system contributes to an amazing experience is that it helps reduce errors. Without a solid system, it's easy for details to fall between the cracks, which can lead to mistakes or misunderstandings and angry clients. Your sales system can play a key role in improving client experiences, increasing client satisfaction, and ultimately providing an ongoing competitive advantage in your kitchen and bath design business. In the next episode, we'll be taking the CEO's view of the sales system. Sure, besides the salesperson, a sales system most obviously benefits the sales leaders in the organization. So let's talk about how it is best created to provide the most advantage. Hire Help, my book on how to use experts to shortcut improvement, growth, and capacity is now available. Get all the details and buy it by going to hirehelpbook.com. If you enjoyed this episode, you can head over to listentoelevated.com to subscribe, leave us a review, or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact.